everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel or whatever. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my nighttime skincare routine, so stay tuned. First up is first, I'm going to wash my hands because I got to wash all that nastiness off my hands, so that's first. I'm using a little summertime liquid hand soap, so I'm going to wash my hands first. Sing the happy birthday song. Every time after I wash my hands, I like to apply lotion because if not, then I will have a mental breakdown and my hands just feel really dry. So I'm using Aveeno Daily Moisturizer and it has the blue cap on it. So next up, I like to put my hair up in a bun just because I don't like to get it wet or anything. And I just like to pull it all back so that way I don't get water on it or whatever. Okay. So then after that, oh my god, these little baby hairs, what's going on? So after that, I'm going to be using my makeup wipes. So I'm using the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towels. I like to use this first so that way I can just take off all the makeup before I cleanse and everything. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Just using a little towel and then I'm just going to wipe it off. Then I like to be gentle with my face just because you gotta be gentle with it. So carrying on, after I'm done taking off my makeup with the makeup wipe, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna cleanse my face. So I'm using the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drenched Cloud Cream Cleanser. This is not my favorite, but I mean it does a job right now because I bought it because I thought it was like really good, but I just don't like how it makes my face feel afterwards, and like I don't know, I just like the consistency. I don't know if I said that right. I don't like how it makes my face feel, so yeah. I'm gonna apply a little bit on first, but first I like to wet my face. Just because if not, it'll like feel all greasy and gross. And then I just like to put like a quarter size, instead of quarter size on it. And then I just kind of start to rub it in, just all over. Oh, looking like Santa Claus. Very up. So after I'm done putting this in, I'm gonna go in with my well, I call it Clarisonic because that's what I had before, but it ended up breaking. So my mom, thanks mom, shout out, ended up giving me this. It's like a Conair. I don't know if I'm saying it right because I'm illiterate. And yeah, so I like this because it really takes everything out, I feel, and it's helped me a lot with my acne, and it just helped clear up my face, and yeah, it's just really good or whatever. So, and they have specific brushes too for whatever like your skin is, so you just really take it off and you put it on. So yeah, I'm just going to put it on medium setting and I'm going to just rub it in. Okay, skin glowing or whatever. So after I'm done washing my face, I'm just gonna pat it dry. I always pat it dry because you don't want to just like, I don't know, I just learned not to do that because it's not good. Pat, 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 whatever. So next up I use in my skincare routine is I use a gel mask. So this is from Peter Thomas Roth. And I like to put it all over my face because it's just so hydrating. It makes your face feel like, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's really like this. And if you want to feel like intense hydration, which I usually do sometimes in the morning, you put it in the fridge and it feels so good. It's like a gel. And yeah, I leave this on for 10 minutes and then I rinse it off. But literally right when you put it on, you just feel like hello, like what's popping, like you just feel good. And it makes your face like super glowy, I feel. Just put it all over my lips, my nose area. And I'm gonna wait 10 minutes and I'm gonna wash this off. And again, this is the Peter Thomas Roth. It's cucumber gel mask. And I feel like it doesn't really smell like cucumber. I'm like super picky with the way things smell. But I feel like this doesn't really smell like cucumber. Yeah. Alright, so I just washed off the gel mask. So this is what my face looks afterwards. So next I'm gonna go in with some toner. So I'm using the Kylie Skin Milk Toner. This is so good. I love it. Wait, let me apply some lotion because I literally just washed my face. freak out moment. Okay. So I'm using the vanilla milk toner, and it's so good. If you guys want me to do a review on a few products that I have on it, then just leave a comment below and I'll do it. But I ran out of my other cotton swabby thingies, so I'm using this. So don't judge me or whatever. So I'm just putting some on here, and I'm just going to do that. This leaves your face feeling super refreshed, and I feel like it just gives you like a glowy look already. I don't know what's going on with my hair. Yeah, so I'm gonna let that dry. Then after I do that, I usually go in with a moisturizer or a vitamin C serum. So I'm using Kylie Skin. So this is the vitamin C serum, and then this is a face moisturizer. So usually I use this one when I wash my face. The camera can pick it up, but it's pink. I usually use this one right when I like finish washing my face, or sometimes I use this one, just depends how I'm feeling. But I'm gonna go in with the moisturizer today. Then I just use like a pump and a half, and this is pretty thick, so it goes a long way, and it feels amazing on your face. You're like a holiday. And I just like the way it makes my face feel. Like, it feels just super refreshed and doesn't leave your face feeling like super gross or that nasty feeling. It's thick, but it's like the perfect kind of thick. I don't know how to explain it. Let's put some on my neck, just all over. I like to get it under my eyes because the eyes are important. The eyes are the nipple of the face, if you know where that's from. Okay, glowing skin. Who is she? Okay, anywho, so after that, I'm gonna go in with lip moisturizer because, girl, you gotta hydrate your lips. Like, you can't be looking crazy. So I recently just started using this one. It's called Mario. I'm gonna butcher the last name. Badescu. I know. But it's this one. I'm sure you guys have seen it. I also use the facial spray too. It's super good. But this thing works magic. It's so good. I always put it on because my lips are always just chapped. So yeah, always put that on. And then last but not least, I go in with the spot treatment. So sometimes I get little pimples or whatever, and I like to cover them up. So I have one right there. So that's where I'm gonna apply it. And this is the Peter Thomas Roth Acne Spot Treatment. And I just literally put a little tiny bit, and then I wake up and they're like kind of diminished. Like, it makes it smaller. You're supposed to use it like a couple times a day, but I don't got time for that. And yeah, just put it on little spots. And yeah, this is it. Time to go to bed. So this concludes my nighttime skincare routine. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Nikkie Marie. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.